Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's video because it is time for another small business vlog. So today I got a ton of little things I'm going to be running around doing. We're going to start with cutting out some of that puffy HTV that I tried out in one of my recent tutorials. If you haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend checking it out because this vinyl is amazing. So much so that I'm going to be putting some on some t-shirts today that I will be taking to my booth tomorrow in that local store that I sell my inventory at. I do have a t-shirt order on its way, but it hasn't been delivered yet. So unfortunately, I only have like a handful of shirts that I can make today. And since I only have a handful of shirts to work with to actually put in the booth tomorrow, I need to create some more products to take so that it's worth the trip. So I'm also going to be baking and decorating some Freshies to go in the booth. And while I'm baking Freshies, I need to go ahead and bake some more to go onto my website with some of the new Freshie silicone molds that I recently dropped. I need to add those Freshies to my site as well. So once I've baked all those Freshies, I'll have to decorate them and bag them up and get them ready because about half of them are going to be going on my website and the other half are going to the store. I will also need to take some product photos of those new Freshies to go on the website. I'm also going to be sublimating some kitchen towels to go in my booth, and I'm going to sublimate a handful of tumblers also. I also need to pour some more Freshie silicone molds downstairs because that whole wall of Freshie molds behind us are going to be going in orders that we're also going to be packaging up later today, along with a few Freshie starter kit orders. And then tomorrow I will take you guys along with me while I go restock my booth at that local store. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film with like customers being there and everything, but at the very least I do promise that I will show you guys what my whole little booth setup looks like once I'm done restocking it, if anything else. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into it because I have a lot to get done today. All right, so I have demolded all of my new silicone Freshie molds, but now I need to trim them before I can package them up. All right, y'all, so it is later this evening and I'm not done working yet. I still need to sublimate some tumblers to prep them to go into the booth tomorrow at that local store that I sell my inventory at. All right, you guys, well, that is where I'm gonna leave you guys today. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video but you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.